What's up, y'all? Cortez Cuts here at Star Barber Expo with Cherry the Barber. Can you explain to someone who's coming to an expo or a battle for the first time what's so important about coming to these?
The most important thing about coming to shows is one, to get inspired. You don't know what you don't know. The first time I ever came to a show, I didn't know there was an industry. I didn't know endless possibilities of what we can do for ourselves as barbers in the industry, or the fact that there was even a industry. The biggest thing is coming to get inspired. You gotta get inspired. You gotta be around people doing more than you and learn from people and stuff like that. That's the biggest thing, because you don't know what you don't know. Even if people are like, oh, I don't do all that, I don't compete, all that. You gotta come for an experience. This is a whole experience. Yeah. I'm saying all around, like, it's a whole dope experience, and it's for us, for barbers. Come through, get inspired, and if you don't like it, it ain't for you. Don't come through no more, whatever. But I'm pretty sure any barber that comes to something like this from somebody that's putting in a lot of work to their event to make it really cool for people, that they would really enjoy it.
Listen in. Alright, dog. I made up my mind. I'm gonna get these.
I got you.
What can you do for me?
Alright, let's see. Let's run up something cool. Let's see how much we're gonna do.
Go ahead.
We're gonna be what? 40, 30, 35, let me what?
105?
Let's do, what do you want to do?
You want me this one?
You want to do it for the shirt? Alright, bet. Got you.
Oh, the dice?
Hey, what the dice?
Let's do it.
You go first, you go first. Up to you.
You go first.
Hey, you ready?
Oh. I got appreciate it. Alright, what's up, y'all? Cortez Cuts here. We're going to do a couple unbaggings for y'all. I think we're going to get JDC capes first. I'm going to keep it a buck. For some reason, I've been liking brown. Something about brown, tan, nude colors have been catching my interest lately. I bought this hat. I think it is fire. I'm watching Guardians of the Galaxy, by the way. Got this cap. It just says JDC right here in the front. I like the color. This makes me want to get Coco Dunks or Coco Jordans, but let's calm down a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4 things from JDC. They threw me one. Homeboy threw me one for free because I bought 3 things. Let's see what else we got. We got this gray shirt. It's got a big pink cross in the back, little tiny pink cross in the front. This is still JDC, by the way. Let's try this on. It's a heavyweight, extra large, so this might be a really good pump cover, low key. Let's see what's up. It's not as heavyweight as I thought it was gonna be. It's not really that thick.
Yes, master.
But this is clean. I like the pink cross in the back. That's what really caught my attention, was the pink cross. But this is a good pump cover. It's a little baggy. I like my shirts like that. But I've been turning all of my shirts into pump covers for some reason. But all right, let's see what else we got. We got a cape, blue and white Dior cape. This is fire. Pat got one at the battle in FAR, and I was low-key jealous. He got it in pink, but this blue is clean, so hopefully people like this one better than his. And this shirt, is this a shirt or is this a cape? Oh, this is a cape. He threw me this cape. He gave me 2 options. He gave me 2 different options of capes. But this one, I want to say he had this one as like on display, black Great cross. This is fire. You cannot say this is not fire.
I wanted to come over here and give you mad props because you're one of the first barbers that made me want to start pushing content. I want to give you mad props and give you your flowers for that.
I appreciate
Do you
that,
have
bro.
any advice for someone who is thinking about pushing content or struggling on trying to push content?
The best advice that I can give somebody is to, for one, don't overthink it, and two, create content around the stuff that you do on a daily basis, and three, be yourself. That's all you have to do.
Alright, we are here at 5-Star Barber Expo. Go ahead and tell me who you are, man.
It's your boy Tank B chopping out of Houston, Texas, baby. I know what it is, man. Let's get it.
How long you been chopping up already, Doug?
Man, I've been licensed barber for 18 years. 18 years, B-Dog.
18 years.
18 years.
Why do you keep coming to Barber Expos? Because a lot of OG barbers, they don't be coming out, they don't be popping out here. They think they're too old for it already.
Man, honestly, bro, this is what keeps me young. If I say, for the lack of better words, it keeps me tied in and rooted into the community. You know how I know we're behind the chair cutting hair a lot. We are the center of the community in our city, in our town. But I want to know what barbers are doing everywhere else, right? I try to keep myself rooted to barber and the barber community. So I have to come out, show face, talk to people like you, talk to other people, and just keep learning from them. That way I can continue to educate on my platform. That's why I keep coming, man. It keeps me fresh and it keeps me on my toes.
Hell yeah, man. I just want to give you your props, bro. My older brother put me onto you when I first started chopping up, and you kind of helped me, push me to get into content and stuff. So I just want to give you your flowers for that.
Man, I greatly appreciate it, bro.
Yes, sir, man. Appreciate you.
I had to pop out with this. I didn't even realize y'all was going to be out here, bro. I didn't even see y'all posting nothing.
I don't think we shouted it out too much, but we did post it about twice, 3 times maybe.
I bet y'all got the same shirts from 1 and 4 or what?
We beat up Gray. That's the one that I'm wearing right now.
Oh yeah, that's fire.
He's been selling that, man. And we do have a black one. But black one, white one, gray.
Hell yeah.
I think we ran out of the purple ones already.
Oh yeah, that's right. Y'all did have purple.
Those were a hit.
What brings y'all to 5-Star?
What brings us to 5-Star? I mean, opportunities, networking. As far as those two, building up relationships with other brands, other companies, just being able to talk to other people, bring more clarity to our brand. Shit, this is where it's at, bro.
Hell yeah.
What's up, y'all? We got Rick, aka The Blurred Barber, here at 5-Star Barber Expo. Rick, tell them what's up right here in Austin.
Austin, Texas is going crazy right now. We got 5-Star Barber and Beauty Expo. Amazing event here in Austin. It's down. The energy in here is crazy, bro. Once again, she does this every year. What more do you want? It's consistent.
Straight up. Now, another one. Tell people about Blurred by the Bay 2.
Blurred by the Bay Part 2 is my second annual Barber Expo. We're going to do it in Corpus Christi again, by the Bay. This year since July, at the end of July, July 27th. We got educators coming in from everywhere, bro. We got them coming up from the Valley. We got them from San Antonio. We got them from Austin. We got Papito Blends coming. Tank, Cherry, Lisi. Man, it's going to be crazy, bro. We're also doubling the vendors, doubling the size. We just hope for a better audience, and it's going to be a lot bigger than last year.
Hell yeah. And you know I gotta get my get back for the last time too, bro. This time I'm competing in 2 of them, so I gotta get my get back.
That's the only way you can come back, bro. If you haven't competed, always get on stage. You'll always learn something. No matter if you win or lose, you're going to take a win because you're learning something.
Yeah.
I learned something.
Appreciate you, bro. Yes, sir.
Star Barber Expo at the Anti-Broke Barbers Club booth. Go ahead and tell them what's up.
Hey, this is Be the Barber. This is Anti-Broke Barbers Club. The brand is meant to enhance, elevate and push barbers and those who are in this industry to the limit. You know what I mean? It's meant to bring out the best in you, let people know who you're associated with and who you're affiliated with, and it gives you the ideal of what you can become as a brand. Anti-Broke Barbers Club, can't go wrong. It's a non-miss. It's a for sure hit. But hey, man, I can't do nothing but speak nothing but good love about it.
You want to go ahead and tell people why you like coming to 5 Star?
This is my first show at 5 Star.
This is your first
This is my first show, but when you come to these events, you get the opportunity to network, you get the opportunity to work, you get the opportunity to expose yourself to a bunch of other people and just continue to learn and elevate and grow. That's what it's all about, you know what I mean? You don't want to stay a barber forever, but if you happen to be a barber forever, might as well make the best of it, you know what I'm talking about? Get your money, have a good life, have fun, enjoy, cut hair. Cut her to the best of your abilities, you know what I'm saying? Fade tight, fade nice, you know what I'm saying? Real
Appreciate
stuff.
you, man.
Hey, no doubt, man. I appreciate you.
Let's get a picture real quick.
For sure.
What's up, y'all? Cortez Cuts here at 5 Star. I bought 2 shirts from Quality Over Quantity. I bought myself the black one and the cream one. They're fire, so let's hope they fit. I want to come over here and ask y'all, why do y'all want to pull up to 5 Star? What do you think? What's so important about pulling up to 5 Star?
Well, honestly, we're pretty close with Cherry. She's a really good person. One of the main things that I wanted to get close to Cherry is because of the whole show that she has. She has a pretty, out of all Texas, this is probably the best show that I've ever been to. And I feel like every year she just keeps on making it better and better. Us, this is our second time renting out a booth with her. And her booth holders, she's always checking up on you. She has people on the floor making sure we're not missing anything. That's one of our biggest things that we like in the shows.
Appreciate it. This is a cream shirt, and in brown words it says quality over quantity. I told y'all before, told you already, I've been really liking nude colors lately, and I saw this one, and it doesn't say nothing in the front, by the way. I've been seeing these when I was walking around, and I said I gotta get it. I gotta get it. I got it in cream and brown letters, and I got a black one with white letters. I already wore that one. I've been trying to make unbagging videos all week, and I've been so busy here at the shop, and I just couldn't. But it's at home. I posted the video with quality over quantity. It's the same black and white shirt that's in the video that I took a picture with the dude. But that's the quality over quantity. And part three's coming. Part three's coming. All right, y'all. Cortez Cuts here. We are here with
David by David. Jonathan.
All right, tell me a little something about y'all's brand y'all got going on.
Yeah, bro, it's really primos hermanos based off of us. We cousins, but we've always grown up together. We brothers, really. And we came all the way from Houston to Austin trying to get our name out there. It ain't really much about the profit or the money. We're really just trying to get our name out there, spread it. Just do it outside from just cutting hair. Make a business for us. It's just me and my bro. We just started. We trying to really upcoming. We around faded culture, code. Come on now, bro. We just starting. It's our first barber show.
Whose idea was it for the shirts? Who came up with the logo?
It was just like, it ain't just the flow that we have, man. It was just like, man, we gotta make this a brand, man. It's like, it started from this powder, right? We made styling powder, right? And then when we sold out like the same week, we were like, let's do it again. Boom. Then shout out to Cherry. Hey, she needs to come get her shirt. But look, shout out to Cherry. Boom. She pulled up to the school. Now, boom, boom, boom. Everything just told us, man, they're having this expo. I'm like, oh yeah. We're going.
Appreciate y'all.
Yes, sir.
Fire shirt. From Primos Hermanos booth. They're from Houston. And I bought this shirt in a large because they told me it ran a little bit bigger. But I don't know. I don't really wear larges. Let's see if I can open this thing. Oh, Popo got somebody. Alright, so this is large. Am I gonna lie to you? They wasn't really lying. This is large. Chest looks kind of big. But Primos Hermanos, right here in the corner. Got a dope little logo on the back. I kind of fuck with the yellow. I don't really have yellow or anything, but we're gonna make it work. But yeah, it's a pretty clean shirt, rough material. But this is it's kind of hot down here to be wearing this shirt low key. But we'll make it work. We'll find time for it. I really wanted to make a video like this because I wanted people to see what they miss out on when they don't go to battles. Last year I didn't really go to that many battles. I really only went to one. This year I made a promise to myself that I'm gonna go to as many as I can. And I've only been to 2, but I have a few more that I want to go to. But I made this video because I feel like some people, how would I say, some people don't know what to expect when it comes to going to a battle. So like, people go and they think all they're gonna do is watch people cut hair. There's vendors, there's other barbers there to talk to, and then there is the battle itself. There's also education. You get to meet the judges. There's more to it than just cutting hair. And so that's why I made this video. But if you made it this far into the video, I greatly appreciate y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, and be patient for my next video. I'm trying to sneak my way back into YouTube, but it's not that it's hard. Sometimes I get a little lazy, you know what I mean? But I'm trying to sneak my way back into YouTube. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notifications so y'all know when I post my next video. And yeah, appreciate y'all.